Well, that's deeper than you
whoa,
thought.
Whoa, hold on. Oh my God, it went straight in. Oh, it's so deep, man. It's so deep here.
Okay, Carl, where are we? What are we doing?
Well, we are actually in St Albans in Hertfordshire in the UK, and there's a lot of water around today. I've brought my favourite camera out with me. I've got my 70-200 lens, so we're going to get some good footage today.
All right. Another good thing about today is that we've been sent a song from a young musician called Alfie, amazing producer. He's only about 16, and he's given us this track, and he said, I challenge you to make a decent film, little bit of footage, you know, 2 minute, 3 minute, whatever, to the track, when we accept the challenge. And here it is.
Mark, why aren't you moving? What's happened?
So, the song that we played throughout this video was sent in by Alfie from Dunstable. He's a young up and coming musician slash producer. What a track, really good. Thank you so much for sending that in. His link is in the description. You can follow his progress and whatnot, because I do believe he's going to become a bit of a star. He's an absolute talent. I've seen him play live.
So, hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, subscribe. We've had a great time here in the not so sunny, very wet St Albans in the UK. Keep an eye out for our next videos. We've got some great videos coming up very soon. Till the next time.
Do what you gotta do. See you later.